I'm Michael Dick. I'm the director of the Puller Veterans Benefits Clinic at the William & Mary Law School. The Puller Clinic was established in 2008 as the Veterans Benefits Clinic at the William & Mary Law School, and in 2010 it was named the Puller Veterans Benefits Clinic. It was so named after Lewis B. Puller Jr., who was a 1974 graduate of the William & Mary Law School. He was the son of the most famous Marine in Marine Corps history and was severely wounded in Vietnam. And then after he graduated, by the way, from William & Mary as an undergrad. And then after he was wounded and was recovered sufficiently, he attended law school at William & Mary, graduating in 1974. He became an attorney with the Department of Defense and also the Veterans Administration. But the demons that followed him from Vietnam and his life resulted in him committing suicide in 1994. His classmates of the class of 1974, through generous support to the Veterans Clinic, led to the renaming of the clinic in his honor. What we do today is support veterans in their disability benefits claims with the Department of Veterans Affairs. We take those claims that are more challenging and work with the veterans to accumulate the evidence to make a persuasive case before the Department of Veterans Affairs. Since its establishment, we have seen over 500 veterans in that venue. We've trained over 400 legal professionals or future lawyers in veterans disability benefits. We've caused about $80 million in veterans' lifetime expected benefits to be returned to veterans. We've established the nation's first online program for military veterans health policy advocacy so that we can further expand the reach of what the Puller Clinic is able to do. The needs of veterans today are changing significantly. The increase in lethality of modern weapon systems, the advancements in medical treatment, especially on battlefield care, the increase in the number of women in the military, the recognition of the adverse effects sometimes of military service on the mental health of veterans, and the recognition of the increased dangers of toxic substance exposure that many military service members come in contact with. All these things are changing the needs of what veterans suffer from today, and we are working to make sure that when they submit claims to get compensation in these areas, that their claims are persuasive and successful. The vast majority of students who participate in the clinic walk away with an ethos of public service, that they have in their core this idea that they can help others. And they walk out of the clinic and their experience with these veterans with that very much at the forefront of their mind. Your donation will help the Puller Clinic meet the requirements that veterans are facing today for new and challenging conditions that have arisen on a modern battlefield. So your assistance is essential to our success.